Hello everybody, and welcome back. And from now on, we cover two types of the attacks, which is the stored XSS attack and the reflected XSS attack. The stored one, as we can see, we covered, and it basically leaves this hello window open all the time for anyone who visits it. And the reflected XSS attack is basically what we sent in the previous videos over link to the victim. Now I also try to show you how you can gather the cookies with the simple HTTP server running, but that didn't seem to work. If you wanted to, you can search online how to do it more accurate and more better, since I believe I made a mistake in some of the syntax of the command, but it doesn't matter for now on, since there is another attack that I want to show you. So basically, what happens if you wanted to change the looks of a certain website? You can also do that with the XSS attack and with the stored XSS attack, which is a lot more dangerous, since it can be used to ruin the reputation and basically the reputation of a certain company. For example, if you were to find the website that was vulnerable to the stored XSS attack, you could, for example, change all of its pictures, then maybe upload your own HTML file so it shows another website entirely, and it would ruin the reputation of the website itself. But luckily that is not really that common attack. I will show you how to do it right now. So first of all, before I continue, I want to make sure that my intercept is off. Good, so let us go onto our virtual machine. So 192.168.1.6. Now where we want to go is, we want to go right here, mutilde, I believe that is how you pronounce it, not really sure. And right here we want to go to the OWASP 2013, on cross-site scripting attack. Let me just find DOM injection and HTML5 storage. Now you can see that this leads us to a certain web page, which basically I believe is used to store something. So let us just type here tool under the one and add a new, and we can see added key tool to session storage, and we can see it added our word as an item 1 to the storage. And you can also change the storage type right here, so we can add right here we can add item 2 as a local storage type, and as well it will add it right here. So these are the two tools that we added right here. But now let's try to exploit this with the cross-site scripting DOM injection. So what we want to do, I will first of all type the code in LeafPad so you can see it better, then I will copy and paste it in the website to see if it works. What we want to do is, for example, we want to change the look or the HTML file itself in order to show something else instead of that page. So let us do that. We want to type here image source. So first open up the arrow bracket, then type here image source equals x on error equals, then type here the double quotes document dot body dot inner, I believe it is inner HTML equals, then single quote or apostrophe, then open up the header. Let's say in the header, let's say it says you have been hacked, for example. Now you can put anything you want here. You can even put something else if you want to, especially if you know the JavaScript and the HTML. You can type anything you want. So what we want to do right now is close the header with this command. So open brackets, then slash, then h1. Basically the h1 stands for the header with the size of 1, which is, I believe, the biggest header version you can use, not really sure, not really that great at HTML. And what we want to do is close a single quote, then close double quotes and add the arrowy brackets. So let me just check out once again. We have single quote open here, we closed it right here. Double quote open here, we closed it right here. So let us try to see if this will work. I believe it should, unless I have some kind of an error in the syntax. So here, let us, instead of tool, type our code. And here, let's just say 3 and add new. And as you can see, it changed the entire page in the "you have been hacked" format, or our header that we've written 2 seconds ago. Now, let me just check. For someone visiting, I don't think that it will stay there. I did this yesterday, I should remember, but I really don't, so let us just visit it once again. OWASP right here, then the cross-site scripting, DOM injection, HTML storage. And no, it does not. But it doesn't matter. We know now that this is vulnerable to the XML, to the XSS injection, or not injection, XSS scripting attack. As we can see, we managed to change the inner HTML page with this right here, and it changed the entire page for us. Now, as I said, this attack is used to ruin the reputation of a certain company, for example, especially if it is the stored XSS attack, since if this was stored, now everyone who visits this page would see this. Or for example, if you were to change some of the pictures on the web page, they would see a different pictures, or basically anything that you put in the HTML code with your XSS injection. So that was about it for this tutorial. It was rather short, and in the next one I will show you a few tools that you can use in order to automate the cross-site scripting attack. So I hope I see you in the next lecture, and take care. Bye.